Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the join tool. So first thing we're going to do is click on our rectangle tool and right click to select the ellipse tool. We're going to create a circle here. You can create it on the artboard that we created or even in the canvas area. So we're going to go ahead and click and drag here to make a circle. And then we're just going to change the fill to yellow. Now we're going to click on the direct selection tool here and zoom in as close as you can. So I'm going to click on Control and plus sign on my keyboard to zoom in on this shape. Make sure you have the circle selected, so click on it. Now we're going to select these scissors. So we go to the eraser tool, right click, and then click on the scissors tool. And we're going to go up here to the top of the ellipse or the circle to the anchor point. And we're going to select it first. We're going to select it. As you see, the shape has been expanded. And when you see the word anchor, we're going to select the direct selection tool again. And we're just going to move it up. We're also going to move both sides up as well. And when you see that purple line, lets me know that both of the paths are aligned. So we're going to leave it there. Now we're going to drag across both of the endpoints with our direct selection tool. We're going to go to the properties panel and click on convert here. And we're going to select the first option for us. And as you can see, it made it into like a teardrop shape. Now we're going to go to Windows and we're going to click on the toolbar and go to Advanced. Go to the pencil tool and we're going to click on the join tool. Now with the sweeping motion, we're going to go from here to join the path. And as you can see, it joined the path for us. Now you can go back to Windows and go to the toolbar and go back to Basic for your basic tools. I'm going to zoom out here so you can see the finished look. Control and the minus sign on my keyboard. Okay, from here we're just going to bring this shape over here with the selection tool onto our first artboard. And it can be resized. I'm going to zoom in here with Control and the plus sign on my keyboard. And I'm going to resize this to fit inside of the flame here. Okay, now what we're going to do is copy some of the elements here and bring them over to this artboard here. Okay, now I'm going to create another artboard. So I'm going to get an artboard tool here. I'm going to create another artboard. Doesn't matter the size. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to create some arrowheads to a path. So I'm going to go ahead and select the curvature tool since we're working with that one, and we're going to create a curve. I'm going to click here and click on a line here. And we're just going to curve it like so. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the fill. Exit on keyboard, and I'm going to select the selection tool. I'm just going to rotate it, or you can use the rotate tool. I'm going to go ahead and click on Alt and drag. Then I'm going to go to Object and go to Arrange, and then I'm going to click on Reflect, and I'm going to hit OK and move that over here. Just about right there is great. Now we're going to go ahead and add some arrowheads to here. So we're going to select both of them because we can do it at the same time. Now we're going to go to the property panel and click on stroke. We're going to have our weight set here at 3 points. And then we're going to go down to arrowheads. From here, the first one is going to be the end of the arrow. And you can pick any one of your liking. I'm going to select arrow 19. And then for the top of the arrow, I'm going to select arrow 5. And as you can see, you can also scale them as well. So for the first scale, I'm going to change it to 70%. And then for the second one, I'm going to change it to 70% as well. And you can also click the chain here to link and unlink it. You can also change the alignment by clicking on here.